Good morning, students. And today's class is on synonyms. So let me start with the first word, confute. The meaning of confute is disprove. So the synonym of confute is invalidate. So that is the nearest meaning. Invalidate is correct. Also look the other words in the options given. Blighted, blight is damage or destroy. So that is incorrect. And option C, ravenous, that is very hungry. So that is wrong. Ostentatious is displaying over pride. So that is also wrong. Blissful is happiness. So that is also wrong. So option B is the correct synonym for confute, that is invalidate. And the second word, gaudy. So the meaning of gaudy is showy. So the correct answer is option D, garishness. And option A, vulgarity, is wrong. You know what is vulgar and vulgarity. And option B is verbosity, verbose. You know what is verbose. Who is talkative? That is also wrong. Vocalization, vocalizations. So this is also wrong. And option E, tonality, that is changing tone, intonation. That is also wrong. So the synonym of gaudy is garishness. And the next word is compensatory. That is compensation. From that word compensatory. So the nearest meaning, the synonym for compensatory is reparatory. And option A, insentient, is not done consciously. Sentient is conscious. So insentient, here it is wrong. Magisterial is bossy in nature. So that is also wrong. Option D, restorative, is regain, recoup. So that is also wrong here. Modest is humble. So that is also wrong. So the synonym of compensatory is reparatory. The fourth word, termagant. So the meaning of termagant is a person who has quarrelsome nature. So the synonym is boisterous. That is a person who is noisy, quarrelsome. And here option A, legible, legibility, that is wrong. Tolerance, you know tolerable, tolerance, that is wrong. Punctual, you know about punctuality, that is also wrong here. Literal is also wrong. So here the synonym of termagant is boisterous. Go to the next word, eradicate. The synonym for eradicate is expunge. Is removing something, something that is not required. Also see the other options. Advocate is suggesting, that is wrong. Provoke, you know what is provoke. So that is also wrong. Perforate, a series of holes. You might have heard perforation of lungs. If a person smokes continuously, then definitely he will get perforation of lungs. Lament is sorrow. So that is also wrong. So the synonym of eradicate is expunge. Next, the sixth word, requested. The synonym for request is solicit. We will also see the other words, coerced. If anything done by force, then that is called as coerce. Proclaim. The meaning of proclaim is publicly announce. So the next word, abet. If a person helps the other person for a wrong thing, for a wrong action, say for example, if a person wants to steal something or kill someone, if the other person is helping for such activity, that help is called as abet. Sanction, you know very well. So the correct synonym for requested is solicit. Next word is tantalize. The meaning of tantalize is tittle. So here there are two meanings for the word tantalize. Tantalizing is tormenting or teasing, or sometimes tantalize and tittle will be used to express the meaning entice, that is luring. The remaining words reiterate, replan is wrong here. Scintillate, scintillate is also wrong, something like shining. Enthrall is attraction, attract, that is also wrong. Striated, straightening. So if anything is bent, we will generally straighten that particular rod. That is called a striated. So that is also wrong here. So the synonym of tantalize is tittle. The eighth word, repay. The correct synonym is reciprocate. Reciprocate. If someone helps you, you will generally reciprocate. So you will do the similar help to the person because you are once helped by him. So the remaining words, maximize is wrong. Recombinant is something related to science DNA. So that is not a synonym of repay. Reiterate. So this is also wrong because the meaning of reiterate is replan. Necessary, necessitate. This is also wrong here. Next word is stubborn. The correct synonym for stubborn is obstinate. Obstinate. So the other words, numeric is wrong. Number, numeric, many. So that is not a synonym. Dutiful is wrong. Who is perfect in his duty? Prolific is also wrong. What is prolific? If you take Shakespeare, he has written many plays. Comedies, tragedies, then revengeful, many sort of plays he has written. So he is called as a prolific writer. Generic, general, you know this. So this is not the synonym of stubborn. The next word is annoy. Annoy is irritating. So the correct synonym is galling. Galling is nothing but irritating a person. Satisfactory is wrong here. Commendable job, great job. So this is also wrong. Acceptable, wrong. Acute, acute is severe. Acute stomach pain, that is severe stomach pain. So here acute is also wrong. The next word is self-determination. That is strong will. The synonym for self-determination is volition. So the other words, predilection is fondness or weakness. So that is wrong here. Coercion. I have told just now, anything done by force because of some pressure, if you accept anything, then that word is called as coercion. Excursion is wrong. Infuse, infusion, inject, injection. So if something, any liquid or foreign material is transferred from one place to another place, then that is called as injection or infusion, which is not a synonym of self-determination. The next word is fetid. Fetid is foul smell. So here the correct synonym is mal. You divide this word and read mal. That is bad. Odor, you know, that is smell. Malodorous, malodorous. So that is nothing but foul smelling. So the synonym of fetid is malodorous. Prevalent, increasing day by day. No, that is wrong here. Impose, by force. That is also wrong. Perforate, a series of holes. That is wrong. Emphatic, who has lot of attachment. If we ask children, do you need ice cream? Their response will be in an emphatic manner. Courage. So the synonym for courage is chivalry, chivalrous. So the other words, hospitable. You know what is hospitality? Generally we speak, I received a very good hospitality. The way they treated. So here that is wrong. Itinerant is planning for a trip or wandering. That is also wrong here. Enterprising is resourcefulness. So this word will not suit here. Irreverent. You know what is reverence? Admiring. Irreverence, not admiring. So that is not the synonym of courage. The next word is conspire. Conspire means plotting on somebody. So if you are planning something bad on a person, that is called as conspiration. So conspire, conspiration, conspirational. So the remaining words, inferior, you know, wrong. Keen, very enthusiastic, that is also wrong. Impression, impressionable, that is wrong here. Ductile, this is a science word. Malleability and ductility. All metals are malleable and ductile. That means they can be bent. Dangerous, the next word is dangerous. So the correct synonym for dangerous is precarious. And something danger may happen. So also observe the remaining words. Maudlin is over sentimental and lacking reality. That is called as maudlin and sometimes mawkish. Merit, meritorious, you know this word. That is not the synonym. Plausible is reasonable. That is also wrong. Schematic, that is plotting on some person. So this is also wrong. So the next word is fragile. Fragile. Fragile is very weak. The direct synonym is tenuous. Acquit, who attained freedom. That is called as acquitted. Steadfast, who is very dutiful. That is also wrong here. Complicit, like abet. Here complicit is also if you are helping anyone for a wrong action, that is called as complicit. Here that is incorrect. Nullify, you know the word, that is also incorrect. So the synonym for fragile is tenuous. The next word is sedition. Sedition is rebellious. So the correct synonym is insurgents. The remaining words, malevolence. Malevolence is not kind. Benevolence is very kind. Malevolence is not kind. Reciprocation, doing a help in return. That is also wrong. Declamation is speaking in front of many people, like something like a public speech. That is also wrong. Preference, you know this word, and this is not the synonym for sedition. Next word is tyro. Tyro, the meaning is a beginner. Who is a beginner? So the synonym is novice. So the meaning of novice is also a beginner. The remaining words, bankruptcy, this is wrong because bankruptcy is the person who failed to repay the loan. Usury is also wrong. That is charging high taxes on the loan. That is also wrong. Kleptomania, who has a temptation to steal the things. So that is wrong here. Flagrancy is something offensive, which is a punishable crime, that is called as flagrancy. The next word is hairy. The synonym is hirsute. So the other words, acrimonious is enmity, plaintive is sadness, deciduous. This word you might have heard in social sciences and environmental sciences. Deciduous plants. Every year those plants will shed their leaves. Votive. Votive is promising. Generally, before the marriage, the wife and husband, as a confirmation before the marriage, they exchange their votive rings. That is votive. Here it will not suit. The next word is proportionate. The meaning of or the synonym of proportionate is commensurate. So we will see the remaining words. Indispensable. You know what is dispensing? Dispense is giving. Indispensable, unable to give or not giving. Indiscriminate, discrimination, blacks and white, there is a discrimination. Indiscriminate, there is no discrimination. But however, that is not the synonym of proportionate. Propulsive is a force moving something. That is wrong here. Disputable, indisputable. Dispute, you know the word dispute. Disputable, indisputable. So here this word will not be the synonym for proportionate. Discard, the next word is discard. The synonym for discard is abdicate, is leaving away. So the remaining words, reprimand is scolding. This is not correct. Upbraid, upbraid. This is also incorrect. Is nothing but scolding or punishing. Winnow, winnowing is suppression. So here this is not the synonym. Extol is praising. That is also an incorrect synonym for discard. So the next word, eccentric. What is eccentric? Peculiar behavior, not unique, something related to peculiar. Say if a person wearing red shirt and yellow pant, definitely we will observe that and we will feel something. He is an eccentric person. So eccentric and quaint are synonyms. Fastidious, this is incorrect because the meaning of fastidious is extra careful, very much particular, even on minor details. Clandestine is secret. So this is also wrong. Laconic is very limited. Loquacious is talkative. Laconic is limited in speaking. Fetid is foul smell. That is incorrect. The next word is wicked. So you know what is wicked? Wicked nature. So the synonym for wicked is nefarious. Then what is jaundiced? Jaundiced is if you have bitter enmity on a person, that is called as jaundice. Right? The next word is stereotypical. So you know what is a stereotype? Women are stereotypes. In novels, you might have come across women are allowed only to do household works. So they are stamped. Stereotype is something like stamping. They are eligible to do only that. Like even in blacks and whites, African Americans and Americans, you might have come across what is a stereotype. So here, this is incorrect. Sentiment, you know that word. Impartial, you know the word. Next word is forebode. Forebode is expecting something bad may happen, danger may happen. That is nothing but premonition. Subversion is not correct. Subversion is insurgence. That is wrong. Predilection is incorrect. That is fondness or weakness. Infuse is also wrong. Inversion, you know the word inversion, that is also wrong here. And 25, the last word is rude. Being rude. Rude, the synonym is impertinent. Supplicant is prayer. That will not suit here. Preeminent, very fine. So that will not suit here. Illustrative, you know what is illustration. So that is not correct. Kaleidoscopic, that is colorful, that will not suit. So the synonym for rude is impertinent. Thank you very much.